Hey y'all, it's your girl Alyssa, and today we're going to get into a body care routine video. In my last video, which was a haul from Ulta, I had some body care products, and I asked you guys if you wanted a haul, and y'all said yes, so here we are. I actually just got out of the shower, and I have my little robe on, and I thought this would be a perfect time to film. So it's going to be vlog style in the bathroom, and I'm going to chat through each product and like how I use it, etc. So let's go. Welcome to my shower. For my body care routine, I usually start off with a bar soap. Dow, good old gold bar Dow is really the one. I feel like bar soap is what gets you clean. Bar soap gets the deodorant from under your arms. Bar soap gets your booty clean. Bar soap gets you clean, okay? All of the other products are, cleaning and like beauty products, moisturizing, okay? But we also want to get clean. You don't have to use an antibacterial, or I call it a bar soap every day, but I pretty much do use it every day under my arms, at least, and like in my butt area. I don't know. But I love a bar soap. I love. I think everybody should use a bar soap, especially men. If y'all watching this, you use a bar soap in your booty. Now, if I don't start off with a bar soap, I start off with just a nice neutral body wash, something that doesn't have any actives. It doesn't claim to be super moisturizing, just a nice regular body wash. Either this one, this really has been my main one. I actually am obsessed with this one. And y'all, I don't even know the brand. It's a On the Body is the brand, but it's like, probably need to get close. It's like Korean or something, and I got it from TJ Maxx. And it's huge, and it's all the way down here, and I have a replacement because I'm obsessed with this. Let me show you the other one. See, it's a nice, neutral, clear, foams really good body wash that gets me clean, and it doesn't smell too bad. It's not too loud. It doesn't clash if I'm trying to if I want to smell like vanilla, if I want to smell like rose, it doesn't clash. So I really, really like this stuff. I don't know if they got it at your TJ Maxx, but a nice little neutral body wash, maybe like Method or something, could work for your first step. I usually really like to go in with a treatment wash. I have a few. So I really, really love Naturium. Right now, I'm rotating between the glycolic acid and the salicylic acid. Love these two down. Okay, I've tried the vitamin C, but these two really stick with me. I feel like I see a difference in my skin when I'm using them. If I'm having like a little KP or something on my elbows, back of my thighs, or anything, this will help it. Now, these don't smell like anything. I mix this with something that smells good. Usually, the Dr. Bronner's. This one is the Rose Pure Castile soap. So I feel like I'm like still getting clean, and then I'm getting some treatment. I like squirt or pump 3 pumps on my African net sponge and like shake this on there like a little salt and pepper. Because you're only supposed to use a little bit of this. You're really supposed to dilute it. Not doing all that. Okay. Then I do have the Frank's Body Vitamin C one. This one was okay. I don't know if I would like necessarily rebuy this, but it wasn't terrible. Okay, then after I do my treatment wash, honorable mention, another treatment wash. This is the Olay Retinol Body Wash. Love her down, but I only use her at night. So when it is a time where I take a shower at night, I only use this because this has the retinol in it. I think it's just a great body wash for at night, and I really don't feel like I have to lotion down after using this either, because I don't really like putting on lotion to go to bed. That's too much. Not my steez, but this retinol, skin shining, feeling moisturized, great for bedtime. Okay, now that we've gotten ourselves clean, use a treatment wash, and yes, I do a treatment wash pretty much every day, maybe 5 times out the week. And I switch between the salicylic and the glycolic. It just depends on how I'm feeling. After, I go in with like a smell good fun wash with a little bit of moisture. If I want to be smelling like vanilla, I'm going to use this one from EOS, the Vanilla Cashmere. Love her down. Great cleansing pH balance with shea butter. It's nice and moisturizing, and it smells really good. So this will be my last step. If I'm going for like a rosy or just a geranium, or jasmine smell, I'm probably gonna use one of these from Lush. Love purple. What is it? Plum rain. Oh my gosh, y'all. Now they like discontinued this and then brought it back and then discontinued. It smells so good. I love plum rain. If you got your hands on this or can get your hands on this, get it. It's just beautiful. As you can see, I got the biggest one you can get. Also, really love rose jam. The smell is just magnificent. It's very similar to like the Montal Rose Musk, I believe, that I have in there. And it's just really good. So if I want to go rose and I know I'm going that route, I'll do Lush this one. And then grass. Grass is so fun. Grass is good. Neroli oil. This is like fresh. So I have like Diptyque Flow de Peau. If I was going that route, I use this and then spray that. You know what I mean? If I'm being that conscious. Sometimes I don't have a clue, but I know I'm going to, in the same routine. Something to cleanse, a treatment, and then moisturize and smell good. I also have the Cremo. Which one is this one? White Amber, White Jasmine Amber, the one that smells like Baccarat. I do have Baccarat. So you already know if I'm planning to wear Baccarat, I'm going to use this for sure because I'm going to light up the room when I walk in there smelling straight like Baccarat. Because this is a good one. Nice and moisturizing. I have a few other ones. I got so much stuff. I try not to have it all out. And I did work on like not buying too much stuff. But I do have backups. Another one by them, I think it's like almond. They all smell good. Also, we did our cleanse, treatment, moisturize, and smell good. Then we have to go under the arms with the bar soap again. And a good pH balance for the private area. Love Mega Babe. This is their bidet bar, which is bidet. That's so cute. It's pH balance. It's really good. I have never gotten irritated from it. It has no fragrance or anything, and it's not necessarily like if that makes sense. Do y'all know what I mean when I say like the hotel bar soaps that leave your hands just dry as hell? This is not like that. And then I also have the Mega Babe. What is this one called? The Detox Underarm Bar. I'm forgetting the deodorant from under your arms. I'm very big on my deodorant. Very big on my underarms feeling super clean when I get out of the shower. Okay. I do not want any leftover anything. Don't have any leftover anything on your body. Underarms, butt, between the toe, get everything. Okay. And then once I do that, I'm like done. That's like my everyday routine. I do that all day, every week. Okay. That's probably why I be in the shower for so long. That's my regular routine. 3 washes. Yes, I wash up 3 times. This game changer, love this down. You can get your back. You boil it to keep it clean. I do have more on deck anyway. I actually gave them out for Thanksgiving to my family. But love those. So if you don't have one of these, I definitely would recommend getting a real one. When I first tried to get one, I got one from Amazon. It was so fake. But that's neither here nor there. Now, scrubs. I just used this one today. Scrubs. I don't want no scrub. The Dove body scrub is cool. It's like a quick little scrub. I bought it because I was obsessed with the smell. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. Smells so good. I'll recommend it though, and I might rebuy it. I just like having it because of the smell. The Youth to the People. This one was my travel one. I took it on a travel trip, but then I liked it so much that I put it in the shower. It's basically almost gone, but I like the smell, and it is 10% AHA, and with glycolic, mandelic, and lactic acids. This is a really good one, but I think it's like $45 or something, so shrug. Now this one, Naturium. You know, Naturium eats down. This one is glycolic acid, salicylic, PHA, jojoba esters. Love it. This is what I use today, so I like shaved. Speaking of shave, I use the Tree Hut shave oil usually to shave, but use this today after I shave just to give my skin some love. I feel like today I did like an everything shower. That's why I was like in the mood to do a body care routine video because I was like obsessed. Oh, this is another one for your first wash. Nivea. You know, we probably can't find the Korean one unless you got it at TJ Maxx. but love the Nivea down. Okay, sorry. But would recommend this one if you want a nice scrub, especially if you have KP or strawberry skin or body acne or just want your skin to be shining, get a scrub. Last but not least, I have the L'Occitane and the Naturium oil wash. So these are actually not my favorite. Okay, I do try to use them when I'm like feeling lush and I want to like feel luxury and put some on. I think it's a good last step for your moisturizing wash if you like an oil cleanser. I personally don't love them, and I think it's because I don't love the smell of neither, but I have them. I use them sometimes, especially after shaving. Sometimes I might put this on to shave because it's like a shave oil if you want it to be. But yeah, just honorable mention. That is my body care routine in the shower. Now, when it comes to lotion, let's go to my room. Let's go to the room.